Hey friend, just want to give a quick songwriting tip, and that is when you're songwriting, be sure to concentrate on writing one thing at a time very well. So for example, it would be better for you to sit with your guitar and come up with a really cool chord progression or a really cool guitar riff. And then after you figured that out and you've really nailed it down, then move on to maybe record it into your phone, listen to it back on your phone, and then you sing over it to figure out your vocal melody. Instead of, for example, trying to figure out a chord progression while improvising a melody, and then usually what you end up with is a chord progression or a guitar riff that's really not that great, and the melody's also not that great, and it's a long, frustrating process. So instead, break it up into parts. Write a bass line first, get the bass line good, and then figure out the piano part. Write the guitar part first, or write the melody first, and then after you write the melody, figure out the best chords that would work underneath it. So I hope that was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to also check out my free guide on 10 different ways to start writing a song if you want to jumpstart your songwriting or jumpstart your creativity if your creativity has not been at an all-time high lately and you want a way to jumpstart that creativity with different ways to start writing a song. Be sure to check that out. It's at songwritertheory.com/free guide. Link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this quick tip was helpful to you, and I'll talk to you in the next one.